So now that we have all of our properties, let's create a constructor for this class. So we're going to start with public function underscore underscore construct. Our constructor will take one parameter, which will basically be CMD. By default, we'll assign a value of underscore cart, as this is what we're going to be using. So in other words, if we are calling our new class here, we're creating an instance, we don't have to pass any value to the constructor, as we already have it assigned by default, and this is what we basically want. So first thing will be the URL. This underscore URL, which is where we're going to be sending the visitor, our new client, once they've clicked the button Pay with PayPal, is this underscore environment. If it's equal sandbox, then I'm going to put it on a new line. Then we want the URL to be the URL underscore sandbox. Otherwise, which is a colon, this underscore URL production underscore production, and then semicolon. So depending on what environment we are currently in, it's going to be either sandbox URL or production URL. Okay, then we have this underscore CMD equals our parameter CMD. So if we won't pass anything, it will simply be underscore cart. Then we have this underscore return URL, which is return equals site URL constant, which we have inside of our config file, then dot to concatenate, double quotes or single quotes, / underscore page equals return. So basically, once we've made a payment, everything has been successful, we want the visitor to be redirected to our site to the return page. Then we have this underscore cancel payment equals site underscore URL again, and then we concatenate / page equals cancel. Then we have this underscore notify underscore URL, which will equal site underscore URL dot, and now we will have / page equals IPN for instant payment notification. Then we have this underscore log underscore file equals root path, then ds, then dot log in between the double quotes, then dot ds, which is directory separate, as you may remember, then IPN underscore log. Actually, and IPN dot log, let's make it. And then semicolon. So now our constructor is ready. Let's move to the next video, and we're going to have a look at our first method, which we're going to be using inside of the PayPal.php file.